What's up, guys? It's your girl ELLOPEP23. Get it right. And today we are making body butter. I'm just working on the vocals, but we're making body butter, guys. It's literally 5, 4. I don't remember. I don't know the number, but it's not that many. Not that many ingredients. It's literally cocoa butter, shea butter, argan oil, tea tree oil, and which kind of I think that's it. And a flavor scent. So guys, it's really not that hard. The simple instructions as you're looking and seeing what's going on. I just need to make them because I have dark spots on my knees. And a year or two ago, let me see if I can post a picture, but a year or two ago I had very bad dark knees, and they've come back. And honey, they came back because I have not been taking care of my legs. So that's why I am making this butter right here. But I'll show y'all I'll see if I can find the pictures of a difference, but it helped a lot. It helped lighten my knees a lot. And it made the baby smooth. I'm gonna be real here. It made them smooth. So if y'all really want the smooth legs, make this better, please. I use a different method after letting it cool down. Usually I would whip it, but I couldn't find my what you call them whippy thingies you put in the whip thing to make you whip the, yeah, y'all get what I'm saying. But I use one of those blender type of things they use to like blend tomato sauce and stuff. So love this. I love it so much. But yeah, it's literally not a lot of work. It took me about 2.5 hours, 2 hours because of letting it cool down, and plus I had left and came back and was like, oh, I forgot it was in there. So probably less, but about not even a whole 30 minutes to make the oil and let it let it melt down and stuff. So yeah, you guys, it's simple, it's easy. If y'all want to buy one from me, hit me up. I'm actually considering making like a shea butter bar. So no, for real, if you hit me up, y'all, if y'all want one, I'll sell you one. I promise you, baby. Okay, but yeah, this is about it. I have a video on sugar waxing coming very soon, so guys, go ahead and check out my channel. You may have watched it when I already posted it or watching it now, but if you want to see how I sugar wax my legs, go watch that video. I put this on right after. Helps a lot when you have no hair on your legs. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and send me pictures, DM me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23, pictures of your shea butter or how it helps you. You can add any oil you want. You do not have to do these. So like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23, and tag me, y'all. Tag me if y'all make this, okay?